Sorry, Baba. Hey, my helmet I have to remove. Helmet. No. Wait. Guys, welcome to another video, and we are now heading to Baga Beach, and Baga Stretch, and Baga Walk, or Tito's Lane, and everything. So I'm going to show you what's happening right now, guys, before you guys are landed in Christmas and New Year. यहाँ पे आके guys, I'm going to show you everything what is happening in Baga right now. So stay tuned. See ya, guys. And do subscribe. Guys, do subscribe. Guys, we are on the Baga Bridge right now, and if you see behind, that's the Baga Bridge. This is the Baga Bridge, this whole stretch. People are doing kayaking there, and it's a beautiful. And Hammers Club is right here, guys, if you want to party. And this is a beautiful stretch which ends up to the Baga Beach. I'm heading to the Baga Beach right now. We are heading to the Baga Beach. What do you say?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. All right, guys. That's it? I thought you were going to say something.
Come see the beach. Check out the beach.
Okay.
You wanna get a tattoo done? Don't do it here.
Look at these here. These look so nice here.
भाई टैटू चाहिए टैटू सर टैटू बना रहा है टैटू भाई टैटू टेम्पररी परमानेंट टैटू भाई टैटू
They are all getting prepared for,
Prepare.
I think, for the new year.
बस हम लड़ाई मत
I gotta do this step.
We've also heard like there's this beautiful shacks here. St. Anthony Shack, Brito's is there, and there's a lot more.
Yeah.
I mean, these are famous ones. We can go and sit in any shack, right?
Yeah. Oh, look at this no shore. Look at how.
Yeah, let's
close
go
the
and see.
water is.
Now Baga is really crowded, yeah.
It's always crowded.
It's always crowded. Wow, that is where you can actually go walking, Baga Beach. It's and it is crowded, yeah. It's like packed.
You got extra leg there.
Yes, they are setting it up for the evening.
I think people are coming from there, so I guess that.
Yes, that's the point.
मैं change करूँ?
The sand is deep, right? How you walking? The sand? Is it deep? See this dog stretching. Huh? Sorry. So where are we heading right now to?
We'll be heading to Tito's Lane, I guess.
Tito's Lane. Hmm.
Everyone's walking there, so
There, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I guess this is. Okay, so after a long journey from that place, a long walk, right till here, we are now heading towards Tito's Lane, which is this lane right there, and we'll show you what's happening in Tito's Lane right now, guys. So do stay tuned till the end of the video and do like and subscribe. Okay, let's go and walk the Tito's Lane and see what's happening. This is the daytime, of course, so the club will start at night. And of course, during the elections, it is a little bit strict right now. So stay tuned and let's take a walk. I think most of the This club is closed right now, no? Because it's too early.
It's so early.
Hmm.
Open in the evening.
In the evening. I think we'll eat something. We probably have something. See, it says Cafe Biju's here. You want to have something from here? Okay. They have kappa, vada. Let's see what they have. Hmm.
This on 31st night is insane.
Yeah, actually. 25th also, I think. It's a Sunday.
Feels so silent, no?
Feels a weekday. I think they are just getting prepped for the evening. Maybe they had a long Saturday night. Okay. I think it's some new club. Man. This is Get High. Cats. I love cats. They've done good tattoo studios also here. Turkey fried fish? Okay. What's this? This looks all shimmery like. They have some good t-shirts there. I like some good prints. Yeah. Come inside. Oh, that's a good t-shirt, that one. With the skull. I like it. This is a new place, I guess. This one. We serve liquor till 1 a.m. and it is called Downtown Goa. Okay. This is where This is by DJ Akhil, right? This place. A dog.
आगे ले रहे जाम लग रहा है।
Come at the side. Yeah. You're very close. Yeah, you gotta be careful when you walk down this lane. Slowly. So I think this is pretty much Baga lane. This is Tito's lane actually. Tito's lane. That is also a Baga stretch, which we'll capture sometime. We are heading towards where we had actually parked the bike, and also show you around this area. So we have some good veg restaurants I think here. Most of them are veg restaurants. They're pretty cool. We've dined in that veg restaurant, which I'll show you all. But yeah, this place is going to get definitely crowded. So stick around, guys. Again, do like and subscribe.
It's on the night mode.
Yeah, and many alcohol stores here. You have an alcohol store there, right there, and you have an alcohol store right here. So this is a busy stretch actually. This is pretty good. This is where we ate. Yeah, this is the one. They changed it. Yeah, they actually changed it. Yeah. But this is the one actually that we ate. They changed the look of it definitely, and it was good food. Yeah, it's run by those Punjabis, but they are really good food, good veg food. And this is the other side of Baga. A lot of shopping that you can do. Souvenirs, t-shirts, clothes. Yeah, clothes, definitely clothes. See, this whole stretch is nice here. It's peaceful today actually, being a Sunday.
Yeah, thank God. In a way.
Yeah. That's a nice souvenir shop too. We had bought a couple of magnets in there. It's fixed price, but pretty good. This one, it's right near the chapel. See a lot of kajus in packets. Dry fruits, yeah, dry fruits. Is that a new place? We can go check it out. That one there? What the WTF? Is it? Let's see. So it says WTF and it says rooms available, eat, drink, sleep, repeat. Pretty good place here. And this is how it looks. Pretty nice. Wow, look at this place here. It's so beautiful. Wow, so nice. It's nice and cozy. If you look at it, I mean, this section is just amazing here. You want me to? You can vlog, okay? No? So guys, again, WTF in Baga. I'm meeting the owner right now, Gurpreet, and she's very kind enough to go ahead and show us the place around. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the place, but if you do like a place, please fill it up by 31st and beyond. Thanks a lot, cheers, thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay, I mean, having a place like this in the heart of Baga, what do you say?
Yeah, everything's just on the main, it's on the main road.
Right, exactly. And this is the pool. It's a mini pool. It's pretty nice. So guys, this is the superior room, and guess what? This gentleman is very kind enough to show us the place, and it costs just 3,800 per night. 3,500 per night. This is a superior room, and it just looks cozy in the heart of Baga during the season time. This is how it looks. This is the bathroom, pretty decent, and you have the sit out area and your bedroom and your television, so it's pretty nice. Rest all the rooms are full. So guys, if you want, I'll put the link in the description below, and do
come subscribe, check it out.
all set up for the Christmas. Right. Yeah, why is Brito so empty today? इतना खाली क्यों है?
सर उधर कैनाडा
नीचे बजा है. Okay. Guys, it looks a little empty though.
But there will be the
But
people will
crowd आ
come,
जाता है
right?
बाद में. Okay, nice. And this is the bar area. And this is the famous Britos.
Yeah, baked crab is yum.
Yeah, baked crab is yum. If you even want to have their shakuti and everything, this is a beautiful place.
Cocktail.
Prawns cocktail is nice. If you see,
So what's the time?
I think the crowd will come in.
We are early, right?
We are early. It's not yet dinner time, but a lot of people are prefer to sit outside because they get that nice vibe. I think. See, a lot of people like to sit outside. Now, if you look at this, is where they like to sit. So the crowd is just kicking in, but this is how it is. So we are now heading to St. Anthony Shack. And this is the parking area, not bad. Okay, it's only for staff, not for y'all guys. क्राउड क्यों नहीं है यार?
क्राउड है सर,
आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? क्रिसमस के लिए फुल होने वाला है कि नहीं आज?
क्रिसमस के लिए बहुत बढ़िया होगा। मतलब अभी कुछ तो इनके लिए ये गोवा में जो लफड़ा हुआ, जो आग जल गया था, उसके लिए हम लोग का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था। हाँ, फिर 3-4 दिन के बाद फिर चालू हो जाएगा।
ओके, नाइस नाइस नाइस।
इसके लिए थोड़ा अभी डाउन है,
Okay.
लेकिन हम लोग का फिर भी क्राउड है।
ओके, वेलकम, हम लोग आएंगे। थैंक यू। So guys, I think we want to end the video here on a good note, and see you in our next video guys. But again, do support our channel and lots of love. Bye.